Welcome to the Cupcake 17834 YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That would be great. It would help us out. We are right now at the lower grade Enola Trail at the other end. If you look past our other videos, you'll see one end. This is the end where you can go over the first bridge. The second bridge, I think, is still closed. You'll get to see the river, the windmills, better views. So we hope you like the trail. Getting here was a disaster. A truck almost hit us because he made the turn too wide. I thought it was a mess, but he didn't hit us. So you ready for our trail, Vince?
Yep.
All right, enjoy. By the way, I didn't get no sleep, but we can still do this. All right, here we go. Okay, we're now starting to ride the Enola Low Grade trail, and you guys are going to love this trail because now we're at the right end. It's going to be so cool. Honey, you excited about this end of the trail?
Yep.
All right, here we go.
Cabooses, also known as cabin cars, once traveled up and down the PA Railroad, Apgen, and Susquehanna Low Grade line, bringing up the rear of freight trains. They serve many functions for the crew: office, workshop, observation platform, and living quarters. The caboose was the domain of the rear brakeman and conductor. The brakeman monitored brake pressure and looked through the cupola window for sparks or smoke, or sign a wheel or bearing problem. The conductor tracked paperwork for cargo loaded and unloaded at each stop so that the railroad could accurately bill its customers.
Huh.
Very interesting.
And that one is Pennsylvania 23832. Woohoo! Maybe we'll see a choo-choo on our trail. Find out. They have a sign that says, watch out for rock slides. Some people actually go rock climbing, and they rock climb these things.
You'll get blamed if it slides. That rock there ain't going nowhere.
No, that's a lot of rocks. All right, well, we're never going to get this trail done if I keep taking the camera out. I got to get a GoPro. That's what I need. All right. We have Man's Run on the trail. And what it is like a waterfall over there somewhere. Let's see if we can try to get the waterfall. They have it gated so that we don't try to get in there. See the waterfall? This is called Man's Run. It goes all the way down to down there, and then it crosses this bridge over here, and it goes down here into that hole right there, and I guess it goes right into the river. Yeah. Okay. This is the Fisherman Run waterfall. I'll get you closer. The gate wasn't here. I'd actually walk down there and get a better picture for you guys, but they have it all gated up. There's a little waterfall. And that goes from down there under this bridge. Hi, honey. Hello. Show them where it goes. All the way down to here, and it goes again into the river. Right, honey? It goes right in there. All right, so far, how long is this anyways? You know how many miles it is?
I have no clue. I know.
Yeah, we'll let you know at the end, because we can't do like the whole trail because the one bridge ain't done. But at least you got to see one end, and then you see this end, and then basically you did the whole rail trail. What's that?
We're going to this bridge that's out and then come back.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because if we do that bridge, we'll fall in the water.
Yeah.
That would be bad. All right, let's move on. Okay, here we are at Frey's Run, a different waterfall. So there's a little bit falling down. And little rapids. It's more like little rapids than a waterfall, but it's still nice. Let's see how far out it goes. So it goes from all the way up there. If we had more rain, it would be a bigger waterfall. But... So it goes over here. Hi, honey. Show them this side. Oh, it's like really dry over here. Like, how come the water is not going down there? And again, it goes in a... Big birds are flying around. They're hard to get. They're fast. Oh, wow. Look. Oh. Them big birds are huge. What are they? Can you guys see them good? Yeah. They're just flying over us. We don't think we're bait, are we? They're flying over our heads. Look at all the birds. It's pretty cool. Wow, isn't this cool? The spring coming down. Spring water. It was really neat how them birds flew like really close to us. That was really cool. Wow. Huh. Hey, honey. So much to see. One day I'm going to get one of them GoPro cameras and put on my helmet so I don't have to constantly keep stopping. Ew. I think I stepped in mud. Climb up this big mountain. I'm coming, Vince.
Don't step on my friend.
Who? Oh my God, watch me slide down this. Oh. Oh wow, it's gorgeous. Look at this. It's beautiful. Beautiful view. Oh, it's gorgeous. And then we're going to cross that bridge right there. That's the bridge I was telling you, all of you guys about. And got like, you can look down there and like look down over. Oh, look, I'm going to fall. Ah.
Hi, we
Trail
did
closed.
8 miles.
8.8 miles.
We went to the Manor Township trailhead, and the safe harbor was 3.2. That's the bridge. So we're 3 miles from the bridge. And these two here, we did it 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, we did those 2 weeks ago. We did more 2 weeks ago than we did today.
Yeah, but we had the bridge though. We didn't get to do
Yeah.
that 2 weeks ago.
I don't know how long that's going to take for them to...
We could easily jump over this.
No, there's a bulldozer thing down there.
Yeah, plus there's another bridge.
Yeah, we'll get yelled at. We can't break the rules. So over here,
I need to look for a toilet.
by the way, no horses allowed. Green Hill Road, 1.6 miles. Safe Harbor Dam, 2.8 miles. Trestle Bridge, 0.4 miles. So the Trestle Bridge is the bridge that's out. So we're going to backtrack and go back where we came from. So if we did 8.5 miles, we did about 17 miles today. So that's not too bad. But we should do more because we got to get ready for the 63 mile for Pine Creek. And next week we're going to do that one. That's going to take 2 days to do that trail. So we hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm probably going to do a couple more photos for you guys. And who knows, maybe we'll do another trail today. I don't know. All right, be back.